This is A Plus Biotech company profile video. A Plus Biotech was established in 2009. We are the expert in the field of orthopedics. Our expertise is in design and manufacturing trauma bone plates. We are headquartered in Taipei and have a branch in Shanghai. Our main business coverage includes locking plate system, femur and tibial nail system, correction system, 3D printing, personal surgical guide, bone graft products, and orthopediatric system. The biggest feature of our products is the Asia bone curve. We collected a huge amount of Asia bone data, analyzed the features of Asia bones, and used the Asia curve to design and manufacture the plants that belongs to Asia's. You can see those X-rays compared with other brands. A plus plate fits Asia bones better significantly. That is because all of our plants are specially designed with Asia bone curve. On this page, you can see that our products cover all the bones of the human body from head to toe. In fact, you can use our products to deal with all kinds of fractures, for example, forearm, clavicle, rib, pelvis, and minor fractures, etc. All of our implants are designed based on Asia curve, and that's the reason why our products are the most suitable for Asia's. Now, I'm so proud to introduce you one of our innovative products, Spear Plate. Spear Plate is designed to correct hallux valgus. This product combines the advantages of locking plate and intramedullary nail. Spear Plate makes the hallux valgus correction surgery simple. This plate provides strong correction effect, smaller incision, and low profile. You can see the X-rays before and after surgery. I have to say, the patient is very happy with the result. This is our key product, PSI for HTO surgery. Nowadays, joint preservation is a popular issue. People have paid more and more attention to knee preservation compared with the replacement of artificial knee joints. More people would like to choose high tibial osteotomy (HTO) surgery instead. This HTO surgery can keep your natural knee. Your natural knee is always better than an artificial one, right? However, HTO is highly technically demanding operation, and the results of the surgery are unstable with conventional surgical technique. Therefore, we design a patient-specific instrument, PSI, to solve this problem. Using our PSI, you can get some benefits while performing HTO surgery. For example, the difficulty of surgery could be reduced, and the accuracy becomes even higher. According to current study, the operation time was decreased from 2.5 hours to half an hour, and reduced the number of C-arm uses from an average of 50 times to 5 times, which means less radiation exposure, and the best part is correction error can be within 2.5%. With A+ 3D printed PSI, it could provide HTO surgery reproducible and stable outcomes. This is how we made a PSI. A+ customized 3D printing PSI uses the patient's medical images, reconstructs 3D models, performs surgical plans and simulation according to the doctor's instruction, and then prints the PSI accurately via a 3D printer. Our core value is not only providing the tools. Compared with other brands, we provide more than just the tools and the products. We offer a complete set of services, ranging from precise pre-operation planning to delicate osteotomy and correction during the surgery. and our implants can provide stable fixation outcomes after surgery. Not only provide tools, we also provide a one-stop service to fulfill all your needs. We are committed to making medical progress through innovative research and development, making surgeons perform operations more easily and patients with a better recovery and surgical results. That's the end of the video today. If you have any questions or you need further information, please do not hesitate to contact us or visit our website. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.